Hello everybody, Kirby here. Bit of a problem. Oh, dang. Yeah? I'm recording this, by the way. So a branch fell on my freaking neighbor's car when I went outside. So what happened?
Oh, because the leaves blew in and almost blew me over.
Yeah, and plus I was struggling just to get over to my neighbor's house, which is right there, just right across that wall. I was having so much trouble just trying to get over there, and literally it's only a few feet. Whoa. First time having microwave lasagna. I don't even know if it's good.
Smells good.
I mean, dude. Now microwave again.
Why?
Oh, it just says 4 minutes with the thing, with the wrap having cut on it, and then 4 minutes without the wrap. And then it's done. While this is cooking, I will show you guys what it's like outside, and pray that I don't get hit by branches. I'm gonna go outside really quick and just record. I know. I'll have to put the tarp on. Oh. Let's try and put that tarp on my bike. Apparently my mom cares more about the tarp. Oh, get over here. The wind is blowing away the tarp. Dang. I gotta get the mail too. God dang. Yo, this stuff has never happened, not even once in my life has the wind been this much, well, this crazy. Well, really, this actually has happened, but it's more like 6 in the morning when this wind happens. Well, yeah. I can't even see